Alright folks, let's talk about making that dough, the kind that makes your wallet feel a little heavier and your smile a little wider. We all want that extra cash, right? Whether it's for a rainy day, a special treat, or just to feel a bit more secure. Enough to finally buy that fancy coffee maker you've been eyeing or those sweet new kicks that make you feel like $1,000,000. Forget digging for loose change in the couch. I'm talking about real money here. The kind that makes a real difference in your day-to-day life. We're talking about making $300 a day from your couch. Imagine the freedom and flexibility that comes with that. Now you might be thinking, Dave, that sounds too good to be true. I get it, skepticism is healthy, but trust me, it's not some crazy scheme. It's a legitimate way to earn money without leaving your home. It's all thanks to this little gem called Qmee. Yeah, Qmee, an app that's simple to use and incredibly effective. This app is about to become your new best friend because it's about to make you some serious moolah. Imagine the possibilities with that extra cash. So buckle up, Buttercup, because I'm about to break down how you can make it rain with Qmee. Get ready to transform your financial situation with just a few taps on your phone. So what is Qmee, you ask? Imagine a magical app where you get paid for sharing your opinion. That's Qmee in a nutshell. This ain't your grandma's coupon clipping, folks. Qmee is a super simple, user-friendly platform that lets you earn cash just by being you. You can take surveys about everything from your favorite pizza toppings to your dream vacation. And the best part? You get paid for every survey you complete. No waiting around for points to add up or hoping for some magical reward. Qmee pays you cold, hard cash, straight to your PayPal account. It's like finding a $20 bill in your pocket, except way more often. Now you might be thinking, Dave, I'm no tech whiz. Is this thing really easy to use? Can I really make money with just a few taps? And the answer is a resounding yes. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Seriously, even your grandma could figure out Qmee. It's that simple and straightforward. It's as easy as pie, and just as satisfying. Maybe even more so, because money. Imagine slicing through your financial worries. All you gotta do is download the app, create a free account, and boom, you're in. No complicated steps, no hidden fees. Qmee will start showing you surveys that you qualify for, and you can choose whichever ones tickle your fancy. It's like having a buffet of opportunities. You can answer questions on your lunch break while you're waiting for the bus, or even while binge-watching your favorite show. It's all about convenience. It's like getting paid to watch TV, folks. Imagine turning your downtime into earning time. Every moment can be productive. Section 4 Qmee Perks. Get paid, son. Now let's talk about the best part. Qmee is overflowing with perks. Imagine being rewarded for your time and effort without any hassle. First off, there's no minimum payout. That's right, you heard me correctly. You can cash out your earnings whenever you want, even if it's just a few bucks. No more waiting around for weeks to reach some ridiculous payout threshold. With Qmee, the money you earn is yours to spend whenever you please. Whether you need a quick coffee fix or want to save up for something bigger, Qmee makes it easy and convenient. And hold on, it gets even better. Qmee also has this awesome thing called daily streak bonuses. The more days you use Qmee, the more bonus cash you earn. It's like getting a raise just for showing up. Imagine being rewarded for your consistency and dedication. It's a win-win situation. Qmee values your time and effort, and they show it by offering these fantastic bonuses. The more you engage with the app, the more you stand to gain. It's like having a little extra motivation to keep going. They basically pay you to use their awesome app. Who wouldn't want that? So, if you're looking for a way to earn some extra cash with minimal effort, Qmee is the way to go. Start using Qmee today and watch your earnings grow. Get paid, son. Section 5. Cashing out, like taking candy from a baby. Now let's talk about the moment you've all been waiting for, cashing out those sweet, sweet earnings. With Qmee, it's as easy as clicking a button. No complicated forms, no waiting periods, no hidden fees, just pure, unadulterated cash delivered straight to your PayPal account. It's practically instant gratification. Imagine this. You're craving a pizza, but your wallet's looking a little thin. No problem. You hop on Qmee, answer a few surveys, and boom, pizza money. It's that simple. Qmee gives you the power to earn extra cash on your own terms, whenever and wherever you want. Section 6. Join the Qmee crew. Let's get this bread. So, what are you waiting for? Join the Qmee crew and start making that money. It's time to ditch those side hustles that make you want to pull your hair out. Qmee is all about having fun, sharing your opinion, and getting rewarded for it. Remember folks, time is money, so why waste it on things that don't pay you? Download Qmee today, and let's start making some serious dough together. Trust me, your wallet and your future self will thank you for it. Now go get that bread.